Part 1. The test format. What you really face.
First, the test format. Super important to know from day one. IELTS Listening has exactly 4 parts and 40 questions. You hear each recording only once. No repeats. Part 1. Everyday conversation between 2 people. For example, booking tickets or asking about a place. Part 2. One person speaking. For example, a tour guide or information talk. Part 3. 2 to 4 people talking about studies. For example, university students and their professor. Part 4. Lecture on an academic topic, the hardest. For example, an academic presentation about microplastics in the soil. Big fact, the listening test is 100% the same for academic and general training. Official IELTS website confirms. The listening section is identical in both versions. It means no difference, only one version for everyone.